Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We got one of the exceptional ones right here. It's body off the frame, nut and bolt restored. What we have is a 1971 Z28, has a 383 stroker motor under the hood, a 4-speed sitting there in between the bucket seats, 4-wheel disc brakes. You can eat off the bottom. It's a really nice one. Visit volocars.com. That's where you can read all the specs, study the pictures top to bottom, and get the price. Not only on this one, but we do have a few hundred collector cars, and they are all for sale. Visit volocars.com. If you enjoy watching the videos, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and click on the bell icon, and you will be notified as the new ones are posted. Right now, join me. Let's go for a spin in this 71 Z28. Yeah, it is a real Z28. The cowl tag under the hood, it literally says Z28. That was the option code, and it's on the tag, as well as the paint code. I think it's number 13, which is Nevada Silver. So it's an original silver Z28. Underneath is really nice. Make sure you look at our pictures. Every component looks new. I mean, every nut, bolt, clip, emergency brake cable, bushing, it's all redone under there. The subframe was out of the car. The whole front end was apart. All new bushings, ball joints, all the steering controls, shocks. That's all been replaced. Same with the rear suspension. It's got the multi-leaf springs, the perch, the bushings, the shackles, the shocks, all looks replaced. It has sway bars front and back. The brake system's all new, and they did upgrade it to disc at all 4 wheels. And the emergency brake cables, the lines, the hoses, all that looks new. The fuel system looks new. The tank, the straps, the sending unit, the fuel lines. The exhaust system's very neatly installed. I think it has a crossover pipe. I know it has Flowmaster mufflers, and it has the proper stainless tailpipes with the tips are cut off at an angle. You look up at the motor, it still looks fresh. It has a high torque starter. The Chevy Orange looks brand new. The bell housing is still brand new looking. It has a correct 1970 Muncie shifter, or I should say transmission. It has a Hurst shifter, and all of that looks new. It's got a 10 bolt in the back end with, I think, a 331 or 336 posi with a chrome cover. The metal is dry and clean. The floors, the inner rockers, the behind the quarters, all clean metal. It was prepped, painted a nice satin black. So underneath the car, excellent. The body's excellent. I just bought 5 cars from a multi-millionaire out on the East Coast, had a big collection of cars. This is one of them. He's owned this car since 2013, so he's owned it 7 years. It was restored when he bought it. He had them on lifts, he had a nice dry, clean garage. So this restoration is at least 7 years old, and that says a lot because this body looks amazing. I did want to point out, as I was cleaning the car, there's like one little tiny blister. I mean, it's smaller. It's a fraction the size of my pinky nail right there. That's the only thing I found. I was down here feeling all along the bottoms. It's all smooth. Everything fits really nice. Big giant doors. They always get the door dings. I don't see any on this car. It does have a metal cowl hood. The cowl's a little bit taller than normal. But anyway, the point I was making, the body is amazing. And to be at least 7-year-old paint job, and it looks like it came out of the booth yesterday. The car's proven itself. The stripes are painted on really nice and slick. The emblem, the grille, the bumper, the spoiler, the lenses, the bezels, all that looks brand new. The windshield is new. The moldings are really nice. There's little tiny light marks that without my glasses, I don't even see them. With my glasses, I know there was some little dimples right here. So that's all really nice, but not brand new. Vinyl top is excellent. Door handle looks new. The correct 15-inch wheels, they look brand new. The trim ring, the center caps, everything. BF Goodrich tires have no miles on them. It's got the spoiler, everything back here, the lenses, the emblem, all that looks new. It's the original window. It's fine, but yeah, a light scratch here, a light scratch there. You know, little marks on it, but it's in real nice shape. Car sits nice and proud too. Door jambs are painted real slick. New sill plates, new window seals, new weather strips. When I say new, I mean new when they restored the car. I sat in the car, and the first thing I thought is, oh, it feels good. These are comfortable seats, and they're nice and firm. The cushion's real good. They look like they've been reupholstered. New carpet. The center console's in really nice shape. It's probably original. Doesn't look brand new, but it's really nice. The dash pad's probably new because they go bad. This one just looks new, but it fits real nice. They always warp and curl. This one's excellent. The instrument panel looks new. The chrome around the lenses is all shiny. The gauges look original. It does have the full gauge package with the 8 grand tachometer. The heater control panel looks nice. The vents are original. They're a little bit yellowed. It has the original AM radio in there, so the dash is not cut up. You open this side for you. Headliner, visors are all real nice. Dome light's working. It has all of its original seat belts, including the shoulder belts. The Hurst shifter has the white cue ball. All this is real nice. This is plastic on top. You can see some light scratches in the plastic. All the armrests, all that's really nice. Not brand new, but all really nice. Trunk compartment is excellent. I was up in here with a flashlight. There are no cuts or splices. Best I can tell, these are the original quarter panels. I had the mat out. The trunk is perfectly clean metal. It has a new mat, is neatly spatter painted. The silver is all painted real slick, has new weather strips. Really nice trunk compartment. The only thing that it doesn't do is it doesn't stay up on its own. The motor compartment, I love those 383 stroker motors. You pull it kind of hard to open it. This is not a spray canned engine compartment. You can tell it was completely apart and restored. The motor is fresh. It has aluminum heads on it, aluminum intake, a quick fuel carb, has premium fuel lines and fittings, MSD ignition system, ceramic coated headers. It's dressed up with some nice tall chromed Chevrolet valve covers, chrome alternator, has aluminum pulleys, aluminum timing chain cover. The fan clutch looks new, shroud looks new. It has an upgraded Champion aluminum radiator. The heater core is hooked up. The master cylinder brake booster, all that looks new. The horns are hooked up. It has hood insulation. The hinges look new. All the metal components all have a nice smooth finish, all painted nice. Has a really nice set of billet cut fender brackets here. So very, very nice show quality engine compartment. Now you're going to hear me start it. Keys in my pocket. Oh yeah, comfy. I guarantee whoever buys this, you're going to sit it and you're going to say the same thing. Oh yeah. That's awesome. That's just perfection right there. Love that sound, that idle. One more. And that just flat out sounds like a race car. That is cool. I bet this car is a blast to drive. Go to volocars.com. I just gave you my impression, what I think about this car. Plenty of ways on there to contact the salesman. They will help answer any of your specific questions or concerns. They will also make the shipping, the financing, the paperwork real easy for you. You can find them at volocars.com. If you enjoy watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be the first to see the next one that's posted. Based on what we've been selling, I really don't believe this is going to last long. If you like it, better get to volocars.com. Thanks for watching.